Hey there, welcome back. In today's video, I am taking you along with me on a little trip to Coonoor. So, let's get started. So after exploring Ooty for a couple of days, it was time for Coonoor. We were still staying at our Airbnb in Ooty and this was the beautiful view we got to wake up to. We started our day with a hearty breakfast and then headed out to catch the famous Ooty Coonoor toy train, which was definitely one of the things we were most excited about. Being on that train was honestly so exciting. Everyone was glued to the windows, taking in the views and enjoying the whole experience. And of course, we had to do the same. It was such a fun little journey. Once we reached Coonoor, we made a little stop at a random spot for some pictures, and it was such a beautiful place. We had the most gorgeous view of the tea gardens, so of course we had to click a few pictures. And yes, we couldn't resist doing the classic tea garden photo shoot too. While we were busy clicking pictures and making videos, we spotted this beautiful waterfall too. And can we just take a moment to appreciate this weather? It was absolutely gorgeous and I honestly can't describe it in words. And now on to our next stop. Dolphin knows one of the most famous viewpoints in Coonoor. The views from here were absolutely beautiful. We clicked so many pictures, sat there for a while, and then just soaked in the weather and the scenery. It was such a lovely experience. And then our next stop. We visited a tea factory and got to see how tea is actually made. And yes, we obviously bought some tea from there too. Next stop was one of Coonoor's famous gardens, Sims Park. It was a beautiful garden with so many different varieties of flowers. We were enjoying our time there, but the weather suddenly changed and it started raining. So we headed out to grab some lunch. Now it was time to head back, but since it had just rained, the weather was absolutely beautiful and getting to experience it on the Coonoor toy train was honestly the cherry on top. The whole journey back was just so beautiful. So that was it for our little Coonoor trip. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you haven't watched our Ooty vlog yet, I'll leave it linked for you. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!